Hello and welcome to an episode of Agri Reflections. In this episode, we'll cover the different types of F1 hybrids throughout history. Please watch Plant Breeding Made Easy to get the gist on what an F1 hybrid is. Let's begin. In the beginning, F1 hybrids were made by crossbreeding two inbred lines together, then crossbreeding those inbred lines together to make an F1 hybrid. So these two get crossed together, these two get crossed together, and then these two get crossed together. Like so, to create this, these two get crossed and makes this F1 hybrid. The reason why they used this before is because, as you can see right here, these kernels and cobs are really tiny. You won't get many seeds to produce the F1 hybrid out of them. Too bad, so sad, I guess. But as time went on, the kernel and cob length increased, allowing for more seeds to be harvested. As the inbreds were improved, allowing for better F1 hybrids and more seeds to be collected for making F1 hybrids, such as these right here. As you can see, the difference between the hybrid and the inbred is much less than it was in the past. These are different methods used to make F1 hybrids. These two inbreds are crossed to make these two F1s. These two F1s are crossed to make this F1. As time went on, there was the freeway cross created. Two inbreds were combined together to make an F1. The F1 was crossed with inbred free to make this F1. Eventually, the single cross modified version was created, where two versions of inbred 1 are crossed together to make an F1, and that F1 was crossed with the inbred 2 to make the F1. Now all our corn hybrids are made by crossbreeding inbred 1 with inbred 2. Why do you may ask? Because you lose uniformity when you do a double cross. Double crosses are the least uniform of the F1 hybrids. This one is the second least uniform. This is the third least uniform, and this is the most genetically uniform version of this type of hybrid. Within this one, there's still quite a bit of variation, which is represented by VAR. As of right now, a good chunk of the hybridization in vegetables happens in this group right here. But for corn, it's all in here, because we're still unable to get lots of seeds. While over here, we can get many, many, many seeds. Pretend these lines are seeds. I'm bad freehand. And that about covers everything. Stay tuned for next time where we talk about cytoplasmic male sterility, and why it's used.